This is a 2012 Subaru Outback with a 2.5 liter. When we start it up, these are the lights. AT oil temp starts flashing. If I put it in reverse, nothing happens. If I put it in drive, same thing, nothing happens. The car was driven to this spot and we parked it. The job was to do the head gaskets. That job went fine. We put the engine back in, started it up, and this is what happened. Trouble codes. We have P0841, secondary oil pressure sensor performance, and P0841, secondary oil pressure sensor performance. Same thing. If you clear the codes, they come right back. Live data. Let's see. ATF temperature lamp says off. Please let me know what you think.